amazing. Woohoo! Welcome to what we eat in a day. So today's not a typical day. We're in London, we are on an adventure. Don't really know what lies in store. I know we've got a few meetings. I guess we're gonna eat on the hoof and adapt as we go. Should be lots of fun, and thanks for joining us. Welcome aboard. We got fresh black mission figs, amazing, succulent, sweet, the ripest and most delicious mangoes, cherries, and a whopper slice of watermelon. Fruit for the win, fruit for the win. This brand do some nice kind of vegan milk chocolates. This one they've some buckwheat, they've inulin, which adds a lot of fibre to things. That's a raw milk chocolate. Very lovely. Nice and crunchy. Still 9 AM. We also got chocolate mulberries. They kind of look a little like rabbit drops. Yeah, pretty good. Right now we're off to see a super cool friend, the great Tony Riddle. This guy is a movement legend, a hero. He really is. Model. Yeah, he really is. He's an amazing, he's been a personal trainer for years, but he's an amazing he calls himself the natural lifestylist on Instagram. Okay, so Tony's all into natural movement in all its forms. So today, what's the plan, coach?
We're going to go a bit of barefoot running analysis. So I look at how you're running today. This is kind of the normal walking posture of today, right? Okay, so the more my head goes forward, the longer my stride will have to be. Whereas as soon as I bring myself up like this, my feet are now underneath me. You see?
Yeah.
Yeah, and a toddler literally walks like this. And we get to see
it's called coach's idea.
Coach's eye, yeah. And then we get to see how the posture is, right? So that vertical line is really where the head should be, the chest should be, and the pelvis should be. And then we get to see where you're landing, how far ahead you're landing of that line. And really I want you to try and land, boom, there. So first of all, I need to learn how to pop on 2 feet. If my head position's forward, I'll face off the treadmill. So you soon value, that's now running on one leg. And this is the shape that everyone has to go to before they go to the other leg. Yeah?
Better.
Yeah, these moments are brilliant. When you lean back, great. And you're just pulling through lovely cycles now. Yeah?
Okay, so number one.
So number one is always posture. So posture should be the higher up in the movement. Beautiful physiques, right? Like really high rib cage, chest is up, head's up. And then if I have that, then my feet will always be underneath me.
Dragon fire. This is fire juice.
There's ginger, there's, I think it might be orange in there. Yeah.
Oh, that's very,
black pepper.
that's very good. So these are little powerful shots from artichoke. Artichoke in Hampstead. Amazing little yolks. Beautiful. Such crack training, really was. We did amazing back bends. And amazing to learn to run naturally. So good to So I brought some flat peaches, of course. Lovely coconut water. This is a beautiful kombucha. It's like a passion fruit kombucha with this company Jar. So we got alfalfa sprout, got a little bit of kind of salad. I brought some turmeric powder because I thought that'd be a cool product for us to do. And some vegan pizza. Beautifully harvested, but they taste incredible. It's like drinking butterscotch out of a little coconut thing. Right in the sunny, music, Piccadilly, life's all pretty sweet. Passion fruit kombucha for the win. Woohoo! Okay, so it seems to be a common theme today. We're having on the side of the street picnics. So here we go again. Oh, here's Derek! Here's the great Derek Sarno. Amazing dude. Him and his bro are serious vegan chefs. And they've got a great book out called Wicked Healthy. Really, really cool. Yeah. Okay, so we're going for a little bit of afternoon juice. We've gone for wheatgrass, broccoli, kale. Ooh, green machines. That's good, yeah. That one's proper green delights. And so look at this. Wow, we've products in Waitrose. This is in the UK, so we've got hummuses and pestos. This is an amazing vegan basil pesto. Really, really good. So proud of this one. And our shepherdless pie, of course, is excellent too. Thank you, Waitrose. And if anyone's in the UK, please try them and let us know what you think of them. So there's lunch. I don't know if you can see it there. This is very nice. It's very interesting. I've never heard of what a pastilla is. Or pastilla, I think it's pronounced. Let me know, comment below. But I think it's a double L normally in Spanish. Is Moroccan, I'm not sure. But. So I'm trying a real cool sparkling spirulina kefir. Super right on. So if you don't know what kefir is, it's kind of little small, like scobies. They're called kefir grains. They ferment and they put some spirulina, so it looks super right on. And it popped off like champagne, so. Delish. A little bit of taste to swamp off it, but nice. A kind of interesting product called Pro Nuts. So like it's a donut shape, but it's made of nuts. Kind of cool green colour. Chocolate cacao nibs.
Gives it a bite and show us the inside.
Wow. Okay. This I'd like to dedicate to my daughter May. She's an avid Cupcake Gemma fan. May, I love you. Theo, I love you too. What is it? It's a vegan chocolate chip cupcake, or chocolate cupcake. As you can see, we're cereal snackers. We're almost like someone likened us to termites that we almost need to eat every hour. Feed us every hour.
Especially when you're walking around London, there's so much inspiring food around.
We've walked nearly 20,000 steps, so we've walked quite a bit.
It's very easy to eat 4,000 calories today when you're doing something like that. Each.
Got a veggie pret. I think it's really cool. A bit of dinner, because we've barely had anything today. Vegan ragu and red pepper, some kind of hot wrap. Turmeric latte. Welcome back to our hotel. What an epic day. Jeez, both look like we have red faces or something. Well, it was quite sunny today, wasn't it? But yeah, thanks for watching. That's I guess. I reckon we ate about 4,000 calories each. Leave a comment below. Let us know what you would have enjoyed most from what we ate today. I hope you enjoyed our adventures today in London. And yeah, thanks Will. Thanks for being part of our community. Yeah. And sharing loads of love. Subscribe and sending loads of love. Cheers. Bye. Cheers.